Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to manage Zendesk social messaging channels. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to zendesk.com and you'll be greeted by their main page. When you do that, you just need to go and log into a profile. If guys you do not have one, you can always go and register to Zendesk. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Zendesk videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, here we have the Zendesk main page where we can get started, of course. We can click create your account. We have the ticketing system, agent productivity, messaging and live chat. We have the help center, reporting and analytics, and on and so. Also, we have the tickets, so everything about the tickets. So basically here you can see your unsolved tickets, the solved tickets, you can see the pending tickets. You can even go and click on one ticket and see some options about them. So you can edit them, merge them, mark them as spam, or delete them. And in the top right corner, we also have the customers, where we have all the information about our customers. So we have their names, their emails, so everything. And we can, of course, go and change them. And we can, of course, go and add some new customers. In the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. So you can view it, see products and updates, get help, support help center, keyboard shortcuts, give feedback, see about, privacy policy, and the sign out option. But now guys, let's see how you can manage that Zendesk social messaging channels. Well, you can add your social channels, so you can connect your Facebook and X, formerly Twitter, public accounts, and a number of private social media accounts. Because you complete the task in the social channel settings, each one has its own self-instructions. So when you do that, when you complete the task in the social channel settings, you can do that basically like that. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.